Forex is a scam. Forex will take your money. You will lose all your money in the Forex market. Forex doesn't work. You're wasting your time. Every single time I hear Forex news, any news related to the Forex industry, Forex space, the news is always negative. Like it's always negative. So the question is Forex trading, is it still a viable venture to embark on? If you're already a trader, should you stay in the game even if you're not profitable yet? The question is, how do you protect yourself from potential Forex scams? So, in this video, we're going to decipher the biggest lie of the century, which is Forex is a scam. However, to answer these questions, we need to start from the foundation. So, the first question is, what is Forex? What exactly is this five-letter word that we throw around on Instagram, Twitter, or X, on social media platforms? What is Forex? First thing you need to know is Forex is short for foreign exchange. The world is a global economy, and as such, foreign exchange is a necessity. Who takes part in the foreign exchange market? That would include governments, central banks, financial institutions, hedge funds, even investors, retail traders like you and I, right? We're taking part of the Forex market. The Forex market has a daily trading volume of $7.5 trillion a day. $7.5 trillion a day. I did not say million, billion, I said trillion, right? So, what exactly does that mean? So, a daily trading volume means the total quantity of currency units that are being bought and sold within one day, right? So, within one day, the Forex market pulls $7.5 trillion every single day. So, essentially, that means that a Forex market is a very essential market. It has a lot of liquidity and volatility. And if you know how to take advantage of that volatility, you can make bank from the markets. So essentially, foreign exchange is a necessity in the world that we live in today. So with that being said, foreign exchange in itself cannot be a scam. Foreign exchange in itself cannot be a scam. If the banks depend on foreign exchange, if the government depends on foreign exchange, then it's certainly not a scam. The part of Forex that we take part in, which includes chart analysis, fundamental analysis, and all of that, that's all a digital representation of what is happening in economies across the world, of what's happening in different countries across the world. Now, understand that each country has its own foreign exchange regulations. And as a trader, it is your duty to understand, to know and understand the foreign exchange regulations in your own country. Now that we have identified that governments, financial institutions, central banks, retail investors take part in the foreign exchange market, we would understand that foreign exchange in itself cannot be a scam. But why do people still say Forex is a scam? Why is there so much negative perception around Forex? So let's look at a few reasons why people relate Forex with scam and how we can mitigate them, right? So the first reason is the high risk involved with Forex trading. Trading involves a substantial amount of risk, and many people lose a lot of money. But the reason they lose a lot of money is because of lack of knowledge and lack of experience. You as a trader, you need to understand that you need to gain knowledge about the markets and experience before you start risking a certain amount of money, right? It's not rocket science. If people are losing money because they have no knowledge and no experience, then you gain knowledge and gain experience. It's that simple. Second reason is the fraudulent brokers that we have. So there's lots of fraudulent brokers, lots of fraudulent companies that offer Forex trading services in different shapes and forms. Some brokers tend to manipulate prices of the things that we trade, of the instruments that we trade. They also make it difficult for traders to withdraw their funds, which can be very, very, very annoying. These brokers that are fraudulent, they majority of the time they are not regulated, right? The fraudulent brokers are brokers that are not registered or regulated. So what you need to do is you need to sign up with a broker that is regulated. Like it's that simple. Sign up with a broker that is regulated in your country, right? Do some research, take advantage of Google, YouTube, and other research platforms. So number three, we have Ponzi schemes. So some scammers set up Forex trading Ponzi schemes, right? Um, Ponzi schemes where returns of the earlier investors are paid to the newer investors rather than from profits earned from actual trading, right? Really sounds like an MLM. So what you need to do is you need to educate yourself. You need to educate yourself on what to look out for. Do your due diligence as a trader. Do some research. If you want to sign up for a person's program, do research on what a real trader sounds like. Because after a while in the industry, when you get familiar with the lingo and with the charts and things like that, you will know what to look out for in a Forex mentor. You will know what to look out for in a Forex trader, right? That you want to learn from instead of signing up with someone that's just a network marketer and they are probably just copying signals off of somewhere and they tell you they're going to teach how to trade, but then they don't actually teach you how to trade, right? So, number four reason why people say Forex is a scam is a lack of regulation. So in some regions in the world, Forex trading is less regulated, which can make it easy for fraudulent activities to occur with minimum consequences or no consequences at all. So what you need to do is educate yourself. Educate yourself about the regulation, educate yourself about the right way to go, the right broker to go with, educate yourself about the markets. And then number five, we have high leverage. Forex trading does involve high leverage, right? You have the option to increase your or choose your trading leverage. And in some cases, you can even leverage more money than you have in your trading account, right? But most times is traders that are not experienced that take advantage of this and then they end up losing a lot of money. So what you need to do as a trader is you need to first of all get educated about the markets and also how to learn how to use proper risk management, learn how to manage your risk properly so that you're not losing so much money. In addition to that, you need to manage your risk based on your skill level. So if we look at each of the reasons we just listed, we would understand that each reason can be mitigated, right? Each one of them can be mitigated if you do your due diligence and trade according to your skill level, because this is actually a skill. You can't just like throw money on the market and expect the markets to give you back a lot of money. That's not how it works. All of the negative news about the industry being a scam, about Forex being a scam, it's all a distraction. It's all a distraction because the markets in itself has literally stayed constant. I've been trading for over 4 years now. I show up literally every single day, right? For over 4 years. And the market has been the same. It's open 5 days a week, essentially 24 hours a day. 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. The market is open. The market in itself is consistent. The market movements in itself is fairly consistent as well. But you, as a trader, you're jumping from one place to another, to another, to another, looking for a holy grail strategy, looking for the fastest way to make money, looking for everybody's trading method. So you're just all over the place and you're patronizing everybody in the industry, patronizing every single company that opens up, right? But you are not doing your due diligence. So when something happens and you get hit, then you start complaining instead of you actually taking responsibility. So now the next question is, how do you avoid getting scammed with Forex? How do you avoid it? The first thing is you need to take responsibility. You need to take responsibility of your trading. You need to take responsibility of your actions, of the places the things you pay for, the places you put your money. Take responsibility. What does that mean? It is your duty as a trader to do your due diligence. If you are going to patronize a prop firm, if you are going to sign up for a mentorship program, if you're going to sign up with a broker, you need to do your due diligence. You need to do your own research, right? You have to do your own research before you take part of the financial markets. You have to do your own research before you invest in anything. You have to do your own research, understand the risk that is involved, understand the possibilities, and all of that. Because the truth is, after being in this space for over 4 years, I have seen people come and go. I have seen marketers come and go. I have seen brokers come and go. In fact, the very first broker that I actually signed up with sent me an email the other day stating that they're actually closing up, right? I've seen brokers come and go. I have seen prop firms come and go. So many things happen. But you want to know something? The market in itself doesn't come and go. The market literally just does the same thing every single week. It shows up, it opens at the right time, closes at the right time, gives you a couple of moves a week that you can take advantage of. But you are too busy jumping all over the place, watching all the YouTube videos in the world, signing up for everybody's mentorship course and being in everybody's signal program, and then you're just messing yourself up week after week, month after month. No track record, no actual trading process. You're just all over the place. And then you join the statistics of the 99 or 95% of traders that fail. But the truth is, you're not trading. You're just all over the place because that's not trading, right? So the point is, you need to take responsibility and actually focus on the charts. Keep your eyes on the charts. Whenever you hear any negative news about the markets, oh, this happened, remember that you as a trader, your trading is between you and the charts. It's between you and the charts. It's not between you, the charts, person A, person B, company A, company B. So whenever you see any negative news, remember that you came into the space for the markets. The second thing is you need to actually learn the skill set. That's the other issue. You need to actually sit down and learn. There is an actual process when it comes to becoming a consistently profitable trader. There is a process to follow. There is a process to follow. There are things to learn, things to understand. You need to become a certain person for you to actually succeed in the Forex markets. You need to learn what that is. You have to put in the time and the work to actually learn the skill, right? You have to be dedicated. You have to go with it through thick and thin. You have to stay with it. Now, the other thing is people are saying, oh, you will lose money in trading, you will lose money from Forex, you will lose money, lose money, lose money. Those people that are saying you will lose money are the people that are not educated about the markets. But for some reason, those are the people that you guys listen to. Like, it doesn't make sense. If a person is making a statement, you need to think for yourself, like, is this person actually making sense? Right? What they're saying, is it based off of facts or feelings? So many a times, the people that say you will lose money are the people that have not taken the necessary precautions to educate and protect themselves in the markets. They probably just gave some of their savings to person X to trade for them, and the person blew the money. The person blew the money, and then all of a sudden, Forex is a scam. That makes no sense. You have to do your due diligence. If you're going to patronize anyone, you have to make sure you know what you're doing. You have to make sure that if someone is trading your account, they actually have a track record that you can see, right? Something that's not like in the air, someone that has a track record that you can see. In addition to that, many of the people that come into the markets, they disrespect the markets. Listen, the market works so hard to show up for us every single day, every single week. But you, person X, you find out about trading and you decide that in the next 2 months, you're going to become a millionaire. Come on, like that doesn't even add up. Like that's outright disrespectful if you even ask me, because the market has a process that it follows. It does pullbacks, it does breakouts, things like that, and then you just randomly just want to like make a bunch of money with no skill, no experience, no knowledge. The money will disappear. The market will literally eat up your money if you don't know what you're doing, right? So the opposite of that is for you to know what you're doing. Okay. So with all that being said, knowledge is power in this industry. Knowledge is power. A couple of months ago, there's been a lot of prop firms shutting down, a lot of regulations, and all of that. A lot of people saying they're going to do this, they're going to do that, blah, blah, blah. Again, it's all a distraction. In my own country, trading CFDs is not illegal. Trading Forex is not illegal. So whenever I see posts about, oh, this happened, I'm going to do this, I literally scroll past because it is none of my business. I am educated about the regulations in my country. I am educated about the markets. So I keep my eyes on the charts. I keep my mind focused on the markets. So whatever is happening in the industry is none of my business. And that should be your own take as well. Educate yourself so you can become scam proof, right? Educate yourself on what to look out for in a mentor, what to look out for when it comes to other types of services that people offer, right? So you don't get scammed. So saying that Forex is a scam is you psyching yourself out of the greatest opportunity of the century. We're living in a digital age, a lot of people working from home, doing a lot of stuff on their computers. We have digital currencies, ability to trade and invest in stocks and all of that. Forex is one of the platforms that can lead you to your money, right? So you saying that it's a scam in itself is you psyching yourself out of one of the greatest opportunities of the century. Because think about it. Once you master this skill set, this work of art over here, it literally, there is no cap to the income potential. Once you master it, once you have created your profitable trading system, there is no cap to the amount of money that you can make from the markets. You can trade from anywhere in the world once you have a smart device and Wi-Fi, right? You can add it to whatever passion projects you have going on in your life, whatever it is that you do. You can just add trading. Trading can be the add-on. It doesn't have to be your all in all. In addition to that, trading can yield a lot of profits if it is used correctly. If it is used correctly, there's literally no cap to your potential. So, with that being said, you just need to remember to focus. You need to remember that your trading is about the market, it's about the charts. Identify the regulations in your country, identify a regulated broker registered in your country, and focus on the charts, right? Whenever you see any news about the industry, any news about a person regarding Forex, just scroll past and focus on the charts because that person, that company, whatever is happening is literally none of your business. Is literally none of your business. Your business through trading is the markets. The markets has been staying consistent. You need to stay consistent with the markets. Okay. So just learn the actual skill set and take advantage of the Forex market so it can help you achieve your financial goals.